Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting the console ready and the DNS you'll enter. First, make sure your PS5 is on the latest system version and reboot it to clear cached network states. Next, choose the DNS addresses you'll use, public DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 is fine, or a custom private DNS from your provider. Once done, decide whether you'll change settings on Ethernet or the Wi-Fi network, and keep your SSID and password visible for the next steps. Now you'll change the DNS entries directly on the PS5. Go to Settings, Network, then Set up Internet Connection and pick your connected network. Choose Advanced Settings, then Manual to avoid automatic overrides. If you already know IP, gateway, and subnet, enter them. Otherwise, leave IP address settings on automatic. For DNS, replace primary with your primary DNS and secondary with the backup. Make sure to type numbers correctly with dots. Save the profile, then test the internet connection to verify DNS resolution is working. Finish by verifying the change and handling common failures. Run test internet connection and confirm NAT type, speeds, and that the DNS resolution step passes. If downloads still fail, try swapping to another public DNS. If DNS appears unchanged, reboot both router and PS5 to flush cached records, and if possible, set DNS on the router to enforce it network-wide. Finally, switch temporarily to a wired connection to rule out Wi-Fi interference. Check MTU settings if you see packet loss, and retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.